Hello everybody, I'm going to be unboxing my mini mochis today and a Hero Academia, it's called Break Time Collection. It's Shoto looking really cute, sexified. Break Time Collection.
Mochi says it's bored because it yawned when you said that.
That's okay, Mochi. Okay, so this is the mini mochi from Dasai. And it's just like a keychain version is all it is. I'm not sure. I don't think it has any gyroscope in it for movement. Okay. Got a clear one and a black one.
The black one's mine.
Midnight Black. That opens fairly easy. Not sure if this is... Oh, that's so cute. It's got Mochi's face on it. I think it's some kind of sticker.
Yeah, maybe. I can't tell what it is.
That's so cute. Yeah, I don't know either. Go up there by Mochi. Okay. I don't know anything about these kind. How they work.
I saw a button on mine.
This is not a toy. One replaceable battery. I'm assuming it's inside. I don't know. You saw a button on yours?
Yeah, there's a button or something on mine.
Well, hopefully there's one on mine too. Where is yours button on yours?
I don't know, you'll have to open it.
Another sticker. Oh, on the back.
Oh, I heard something. They made a noise.
They're on. You can't see them. Eyes don't light up very well. That's one complaint I heard from the site. Hi, mini mochis. Meet this.
Hold on, I got an idea. Oh, why can I not do that?
Do what?
It won't let me turn the flash on.
Oh, you can't do it when you're video recording. Here, I can do it with my phone, other phone.
Yeah, hold it over the...
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Can you guys see it?
Now?
I think so.
And here's the clear one.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that I read on the website. It's kind of considered a complaint is the eyes.
Oh, it's doing Pong.
Oh, mine's doing Pong too. It doesn't make any noise. See the Mochi 3 that I got. This one is the one that goes in the car. But this one, I guess, just goes on your purse. He's going to just go on my purse. Along with my other junk I got dangling on my purse.
Yeah.
But it's cute.
Oh, it's happy.
It is. He's so cute. Yeah, I might be able to see them better during the day. That's the only... It's about like a Tamagotchi. Like my little BTS Tamagotchi I have. It's kind of similar. Anyway... Oh yeah, it has a picture on the back. There's a button. So okay.
Mine turned
I'll
off.
Keep these two.
I think they oh, never mind, it didn't turn off. Oh my god.
Whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep those cards too because they're cute. All right, and here's the...
Okay, let me put mine over here.
All right, the Midnight Black one's kind of pretty too. You'd probably be able to see them better during the day.
Probably.
No, Ross is a great place to buy anime figurines. They're a lot cheaper than if you're going to buy them, like, say, at a Comic-Con or another retailer, like a anime retailer. They're going to just buy these things really cheap and
sell them
for a higher profit.
How much was he?
He was only $9.99 at Ross. And then it says comparable to $22, comparable value. And they have an official Instagram, it looks like. Which I record that so I can look at it later. Pretty cool. Banpresto.jp. So this is a Japanese one.
Mine are over there on the... I got Naruto ones. Who would have guessed that?
Oh my god. This is hot. This is hot. I got to find some room for him.
Oh my God, he's
A
humongous.
sexy Shoto. Oh my goodness. Wowzy, wowzy. He is so sexy. Yeah,
Mochi's like, oh no.
holy cow, look at that.
Oh my God.
He's like, yeah, I'm here.
Oh.
So cool. Man. I don't know if anybody out there ships Shoto, or doesn't ship Shoto, but like Shoto. I think he's the sexiest guy off of Hero Academia. Besides Deku, I suppose.
I don't like him. I like Deku.
Oh my goodness! Look at
I mean,
look at his face.
I mean, he's a cool,
like sexy.
I mean, he's a cool character. I just don't. For me, he's not that attractive.
Oh my
but
goodness!
everybody.
Gracious. There it is by the dumb elephant and the mochis.
Look, the elephant ain't dumb.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just joking, elephant. You're crazy.
I figured Leslie would get a laugh out of this.
Oh yeah.
I'm like zoomed in on Mochi's
Here, let me
face.
show Mochi. Here, let me. I took over control. Okay. There's Naruto eating his ramen. We just bought that one too. We just got this one at Ross as well. They got some good anime figurines. That one back there I ordered from Japan, the Rock Lee. This one we just got at Ross. That Naruto over there.
What's from Ross?
It's from Ross as well. And that one goes for a lot more money from any retailers. Various anime figurines we got from here in Japan and Orlando. That Ebby gave us that little Aibo one. So cute. Anyways, I have a problem. Hi, Mochi. That's my other Mochi. I have a problem. Wanting retail therapy. I don't know why he's making motion.
That's me because I moved him.
Oh, you moved him. Okay. There's all of our other guys. Those are all of our robots right here. I think that's all of them. Besides Aragon, he's on the charger over there. Anyway, Hero Academia bucket that we got from Orlando when we went to go see that movie. It was pretty cool. Anyway, that's a nice little apartment tour and anime statue figurines and cool little driving robots. All right, bye-bye.